Introducing the release of the SAP IBP 2508 Harmonized Planning Area. This represents a big moment in the history of SAP IBP, but why is it so important? Because now planners can do mid to long-term demand, inventory, and supply planning with time series buckets in the same SAP IBP planning area as short and midterm supply planning with orders. This new planning area utilizes integration technology that seamlessly manages both live and scheduled data flows between SAP IBP and other systems. Live data flows with real-time integration, or RTI for short, to exchange master data, orders, and stock levels between SAP IBP and SAP S/4HANA Private Edition, or SAP ECC. Scheduled data flows are used to exchange key figure and other data with SAP IBP. Now the key point. The same data model is used by all IBP processes and includes master data types, key figures, planning levels, attributes, etc. This new planning area with an aligned data model for time series planning and order-based planning is called SAP IBP2. So what are the key benefits of this harmonized planning area? Simplified configuration and maintenance. Now with one set of master data, there are fewer data inconsistencies and easier data maintenance between time series and order-based processes. One synchronized set of master data, configured once for all SAP IBP processes. For SAP IBP customers with many disparate planning areas, the possibility now exists to consolidate and remove system complexity. Of course, very large customers or those with multiple business entities may choose to run multiple planning areas. Harmonized planning provides value here too. Because the harmonized planning area data models will be consistent, copying data across planning areas becomes easy and master data inputs can be synchronized from a common RTI source. The harmonized planning area provides a data model for each IBP application. A centralized application allows modification of model business meaning mappings to master data attributes. This provides the freedom to design and deploy highly tailored customer configurations and business processes. The second benefit is the harmonization of SAP IBP integration tools and processes. SAP IBP provides flexible choices for integration technology implementation. Real-time integration is recommended for all SAP IBP2 projects to integrate master data, orders, stocks, and execution data, independent of whether SAP IBP order-based or time series planning is used. For example, you can now use RTI to always have the latest execution data in SAP IBP, even if you run only time series supply for tactical planning purposes. As in the past, RTI can pass data from multiple SAP ERP systems, be they SAP S/4HANA Private Edition or SAP ECC. ETL integration provides key figure data, as well as master data, orders, and stocks from other data sources. When deploying SAP IBP2, SAP recommends ETL integration with SAP Integration Suite Cloud Integration, so one planning area with simplified integration. The harmonized planning area improves reporting and planner efficiency. Now with all master data and key figure data in a common planning area, planners can view both time series and order-based data through a single login, regardless of whether Planner Workspace or Excel add-in is used. Perhaps the biggest benefit is the possibility to create end-to-end planning processes, leveraging the strengths of the individual applications. Now you can decide how you want those time series and order-based supply planning processes to work together. For example, time series supply planning jobs now accept stored key figures, calculated key figures, and order key figures as input. Overall, the main idea is to combine the fast simulation capabilities of time series supply planning, together with the operational planning and automated order integration with S/4 or ECC systems. Let's now look at what is coming with SAP IBP 2508. Here we see order-based and time series supply planning, running in one planning area called SAP IBP2. Both have unique feature strengths and benefits. Time series supply planning is perfect for mid to long-term planning. It is fast, agile, and can run simulations. Data are not static. You can easily adjust. On the other hand, order-based planning supports a full range of operational planning functions like order pegging, gating factors, and real-time order integration with the ERP system. The Harmonized Planning Area Data Model has been extended, especially in production planning, with prerequisites for future advanced processes like byproduct planning or production in alternative plants. These will be available in SAP IBP 2 in later releases, along with many other advanced supply planning features. So stay tuned.